You don't need to spend thousands of dollars to add professional quality sound to your projects. The trick is finding the right low-cost microphone. We at Best Reviews did that searching for you, finding and rigorously testing the DJI wireless lavalier microphone to simplify your purchasing decision. The set we tested costs about $220 and includes one microphone and a receiver. It also includes a mic windscreen, a mic clip magnet, various cables, and adapters, including ones that let you record audio directly to smartphones, and a zipper storage bag. There's also a $330 set that we didn't test that includes an extra microphone and a charging case. We found that the DJI wireless lavalier microphone had the best audio quality of all 5 of the microphones we tested, and it worked beautifully straight out of the box.
This is our test of the DJI Mic.
Our voice sounded full and bold, and the omnidirectional performance was stellar, to the point we struggled to find any discernible quality difference, even when the microphone was pointed directly away from us. It was also easy to use, with convenient volume buttons on the microphone and a screen on the receiver where we could access every other setting. Even better, each setting is clearly defined not to overwhelm newcomers to audio recording. You also have plenty of options as to where your audio gets saved. You can record up to 14 hours of compressed audio on the microphone's 8 gigabytes of internal storage and transfer it later. We found about a minute of audio was usually between 30 and 50 megabytes though, which calculates to about 3.5 hours of storage. You can also record to your camera, computer, or smartphone with one of the included cables and adapters. Plus, the microphone has an up to 820-foot range with the receiver. We only tested in the 100 to 200-foot range, but we had no issues.
Okay, we're about 100 meters away. This is the DJI Microphone 2.
Lastly, we thought the microphone and the receiver looked great. You shouldn't have to worry about them being visible in documentaries or other similar video projects. They also slot easily and safely into the case. And because the case zipper is closed, you don't have to worry about anything falling out. To be honest, we had to get pretty nitpicky to find anything bad with the DJI microphone. For example, the microphone did pick up a little ambient noise while recording, but that's counterbalanced by 2 points. It has the best noise canceling of the 5 microphones we tested thanks to a high-pass filter, and the frequency separation is wide enough for an easy cleanup in post-production. Another quibble included the smartphone connectors being so secure we were a little afraid we'd break them trying to remove them. We also wished the receiver had some physical buttons for when using a touchscreen would be inconvenient, such as on extra bright days that render the screen hard to see. In the direct words of our tester, the DJI wireless lavalier microphone exudes the top-notch quality the company has become known for, and at a relatively reasonable price tag when comparing other products it makes against their respective competition. It is hands down the only product I could safely recommend to anyone, regardless of experience level or need. We give it a final score of 10 out of 10 and mark it as bestreviews.com's best of the best wireless lavalier microphone. If this video helped you make your purchasing decision easier, tap that little bell icon to get notified of all our videos to come. Give us a like and share your own thoughts in the comments section below.